chicken stock and the bay leaves. Sorry, I forgot the bay leaves. So a couple of bay leaves going in there. All right. Get in the habit when you're making a recipe, and if you're just making a soup from scratch or something, get in the habit of only adding the bay leaves when there's a large amount of liquid in there. We could have added them earlier when we put in the onions, okay? But you run a greater risk of those bay leaves breaking, especially if they're dry bay leaves and not fresh. And if they break into chunks, you have more of an opportunity of your guest or your family accidentally swallowing a piece, and they're not edible. They'll get stuck in your throat. So the perfect opportunity to add a bay leaf is when there's this sloshy liquid in there, and they're not going to get broken up, chances are, okay, because they're just floating in there. The flavor is still going to come out, but look how liquid it is, right? It's a better time to add them now than earlier in the dish, and that's why we put them in now.